In today's video, we're going to change low beam headlight Volkswagen 2017. The right hand side light is working, so that is intact, but the left hand side is the one that is dead here. That right there, that's the one that we're going to change. All right, the very first thing you'll do is open this bonnet, okay? So that can leave you a space for you to do your work properly. Right here, this is where you can access the bulb, right? You may need to pop this out. Depending on your finger, if you have big finger, it will be very hard because this place is very tight. So we're going to remove this out. It's a little bit tight. Okay. All right, now that it's being removed, so put it somewhere at least where you can remember, okay? Otherwise you'll forget and then you will lose it. So we don't want that to happen, okay? So now, so have a look. I don't know if you can see right there, right? So that is, yeah, it's dark in there, but so you have to turn it clockwise. See right there? Now that is open, and then you can remove it. You can see there. So remove it out like that. Okay. So now what we're going to do, remove this bulb. So the bulb can be very hard or tight to remove. So I'm going to need something like a knife. So I'm going to use this knife to remove this out. So you can see there. So now it's the bulb is being removed. See, now it's removing. Okay, in the comment section if you know a proper way of removing this, so let me know there. Put it in the comment section because that it can also help people a lot. But yeah, because at the moment the knife is the closest that is in my disposal, so that's why I'm using this knife to remove this. Okay, so now I think that is loose enough for me to remove it. So now I'm going to remove it like that. So you can see there. So that is the bad one there. All right, now we're going to put that away, and then we're going to replace it with the new one. So here, this is the new one that I've got. I bought it earlier on from the closest dealership where I live, so it's very cheap. I think this cost around $24, not USD but Australian dollar. Okay, so now we're going to unbox this and then see what is inside. All right, so you need to be very careful not to touch the bulb. If you do touch the bulb with your bare hand, the reason why you should not touch the bulb with your hand is because the oil on your fingers will end up on the bulb, and then that shortens the life of the bulb. So you don't want that. They advise us to wear gloves, but if you don't have gloves like me here, so you just need to be very careful not to touch the bulb while you are installing it. See, now that is how you install it right there. So you can see that now we have replaced our light bulb, and I'm going to put it back into the compartment. All right, so right there, we're just going to find that hole and then put the bulb right back in there. Okay, all you need to do is put it back in the hole and then twist it. See, from this side, twist it this way, and then that's how it locks it. Now that is locked, I can't move it out anymore, and our light bulb is fixed. First, let's check to make sure it's working, okay? All right, so we're going to turn the light on. So it's on there. This one is the one that is working, and that one is on. And voila, there, light is back on. All right, the next thing is you need to put this rubber here back where you got it from, and right there, so that and that is fixed already.